Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Hetzner VPS using snapshots and data recovery, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up your Hetzner VPS using snapshots, log into your Hetzner Cloud Console. From the dashboard, select the project that contains the VPS you want to backup. Next, click on the VPS instance for which you wish to create a snapshot. In the VPS details page, navigate to the Snapshots tab. Click on the Create Snapshot button. You will be prompted to name your snapshot. Choose a descriptive name that helps you identify its purpose. Once you have named the snapshot, confirm the action. The snapshot process may take a few minutes to complete. After the snapshot is created, it will appear in the list under the Snapshots tab. To verify the snapshot, check the details provided, including the creation date and size. Now, to recover data from a snapshot, return to the Snapshots tab. Select the snapshot you wish to restore. Click on the Restore button next to the selected snapshot. You will be prompted to confirm the restoration of your VPS to this snapshot. Confirm the action to proceed with the restoration. This will overwrite your current data with the data from the snapshot. Once the restoration is complete, your VPS will be in the state it was at the time of the snapshot. For added safety, regularly create snapshots to maintain up-to-date backups. Keep in mind that snapshots count towards your storage limits, so monitor your usage. After the recovery, it's essential to verify that all services and applications are functioning properly. If you encounter any issues, consult Hetzner's documentation for further troubleshooting. By following these steps, you can effectively use snapshots to backup and recover your Hetzner VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.